boy's trying to find a way to make you proud. But trust me, Mom, your boy's gonna make it one day. I'm a guy with ambition. You will be proud of me. I promise. Well, as I sit here and try and edit this video, I'm making some food that Julian brought me yesterday. Some rice, chicken, vegetables. Super excited. I had one of the pieces of chicken yesterday and oh, it was so good. It was so good. So yeah, I'm gonna try and sit here and actually make some sort of video out of the random clips that I've taken. I'm sorry that this video is just going to be a bunch of random stuff, but I've been so focused trying to learn how to make proper videos that I haven't actually been making proper videos. So I need to learn how to do that. Still, there's a lot to take in, and it's something that I'm totally new to. I have no clue how to vlog, talk to a camera, make things entertaining, edit properly. So I'm learning. Just give me a break, give me a chance. And it's been super cold and just dreary here. It's snowing all the time now, which is whatever. It's okay with me. I kind of like the snow, but I'm just trying to gain a little bit of motivation to be able to work on this van out in the cold, doing my oil change, my coolant flush, and bleeding the brakes one more time before I hit the road. I think there was another thing that I wanted to do, but I can't remember what it is right now. But there's a couple of things that I need to do. Sea foam in my gas tank, because it does have a bit of a sputter when it's super cold, which is fairly normal for a carbureted vehicle, but I want this thing running tip-top shape. So yeah, stay tuned for this random video. I'm gonna try and edit the crap out of it so it's a decent video for you guys to actually sit and watch and enjoy, seeing as I haven't been able to get a whole lot of actual traveling content in the past few weeks. So stick with me, please. I swear to you that things are gonna get a lot more fun and a lot more crazy with this adventure once I get the ball rolling again. So please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because subscriptions really help me get monetized, which will help me be able to make a little bit of money off YouTube, which will fund things towards this trip and just getting out into the woods so I can show you guys the beauty out there and kind of live it up. So thanks guys, thanks to everyone who is subscribed and who watches all my videos. I love you all. I love you all. Thank you. Good morning everybody. We just went for our first run in the BC snow. Clutch is super excited. It snowed quite a lot here last night. You can kind of see out these windows here. It's toasty warm in here, but we have probably 4 or 5 inches of snow out there. It's pretty crazy how much snow we got last night here. So, but stayed nice and warm in here, which is perfect, absolutely what I needed. We are gonna go for our first drive on the snow in BC. I'm pretty excited for that. I mean, my Taurus got winter tires and it's all-wheel drive anyways, but kind of excited to see like how other people drive and how like actually hard it is to climb these hills when it's icy and you know, maintain control of your vehicle down the hill and everything. I'm super excited for that, honestly. I love driving in the winter, so So yeah, gonna go for a drive. We're gonna go get some food, and I'm going to go and get a snow shovel so I can shovel around here a little bit, and maybe I'll post an ad on Kijiji or something around here for snow shoveling, trying to make a little bit of extra cash. All right, my GoPro was dead, so I wasn't able to record any of this. I was trying to go up to get some really cool shots, and I was trying to climb this mountain in the snow, and it didn't go well, and I ended up getting stuck way up there in some like really deep snow. Like this is like half as deep as it is up there. So I've backed up all the way to here. Look how much I was plowing snow with this thing, dude. Like, holy crap. I love this car so much. If anyone's wondering why I took this car, it's because it's so damn capable. But anyways, I'm on kind of a flat spot now. I'm gonna turn my ass around so I don't gotta back all the way down the mountain and die. I literally have the worst ideas ever sometimes. Yo, let's just go climb a mountain in a snowstorm. You can't even see what's going on. This is my life though. I love risk. I love challenging myself. I love doing these crazy things. Like if I slam on my brakes, I just slide and oh God! You gotta be a good driver for driving on the mountains in BC, man. This is amazing. I love this. Hopefully nobody tries to come up this way. Just cleaning up the inside of this cabinet here a little bit. This was such a mess. Still kind of looks like a mess, but it's actually pretty organized.
We do, you know,
let me mute this. Boop. It's actually pretty organized in there now, which is amazing. Made lots more room for other stuff. I can get my hiking backpack off from in there. Life jacket can go in the Taurus. This black garbage bag is my dirty laundry. A couple other things I still need to fix up in here. And I have a bunch of garbage. But yeah, diesel heater's been working awesome. It's off right now, I think. Yeah, it's off right now. I just have my electric heater going. And the electric heater honestly keeps it so nice in here. There's so much snow out here now. It's crazy. I'm gonna go and probably shovel the driveway quick right away, and then yeah, just come and kick it for the night, watch a couple movies. Maybe I'll start actually writing some names on the roof, because I'm gonna be writing the names of my first 1,000 subscribers on the roof of the van. So if you want to be part of that, make sure you subscribe. You better subscribe. Please subscribe. That's all I need is 1,000 subscribers, please, guys. That just help me get monetized, honestly. Because once I do, I'll be able to create a lot better content, and I'll be more motivated to create better content, honestly, too. Right now, I've kind of just been sticking around, but the van is slowly getting more and more done. I really need to do my oil change and coolant flush, and then I can hopefully get out onto the road. I also gotta try and bleed the brakes one more time, because they keep getting consistently better, but they're still not up to my standards. So, all right, guys, I'm really sorry this video was so jumpy, like jumped around so much. I haven't been recording again. Obviously, I've been very I've just been watching a lot of YouTube, trying to learn how to do this a little bit better, and I need to start videoing more, like just like B-roll type shots and just random shots I could put music over and stuff. But I'm not doing that. I'm just like picking up my camera whenever something happens and recording kind of thing. So I'm gonna stop doing that so often and try and make a more enjoyable video. For right now, I'm not gonna do that. It's still gonna be boring. It's just pretty much gonna be me. I'll probably end up speeding up. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the video, but I'm going live on TikTok right away, so I can start writing the names of my first 1,000 YouTube subscribers on the roof of my van here. So I'm hoping that you know, a couple more people will join, and I'll get a couple more subscribers as I'm going live. But if not, it's whatever. But if you want to be part of that 1,000 subscribers on the roof of my van as a token of appreciation, then make sure you subscribe. And even if it's past 1,000, please subscribe, because it'll help me out a lot. Yeah, so I'm gonna get started here. hope that's a half decent camera angle. And go live on TikTok here.
Been counting all your aces, you ain't winning. Your phone book full of numbers, staring names. All them vain decisions keep you jaded. You could have found the one, but you won't change. So aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time to ticking slow. Yes, overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should.